Alright, our first question is a GeoGebra example, and this one wants us to pick any functions that we want, and we're going to find the derivative using the product rule. So I want to pick one that I feel like will be more of a challenge, so we're going to use the first function to be 5 times the square root of x, and then on the second one, let's just do the natural log of x. Any one of these will be fine. Let's do ln of x. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do the product rule. We're going to find the first times the derivative of the second plus second times the derivative of the first. So we're going to leave the first one alone. The derivative of the natural log of x is one that you want to memorize. So if I pull up our cal class, under our derivative section, our cheat sheets, the derivative of the natural log of x is 1 over x. Okay, so we're going to use that derivative here. So first times the derivative of the second, this is going to be times 1 divided by x, plus the second function, which is ln of x, times the derivative of the first. Alright, so we're going to rewrite the 5 times the square root of x as 5 times x raised to the 1/2 power. We're going to use the power rule, which we're going to multiply by 1/2 out front, and we still got that times 5, 1/2 times, and then we'll have our x, and we'll subtract 1. 1/2 minus 1 will give me a negative 1/2. Okay. So this will be first derivative of the second plus second function times the derivative of the first. Alright, now we're going to just simplify this. So when I multiply, this will go on top, so I will have 5 square root of x all over x plus this 1/2 will cause me to have a fraction, so 1 on the top times 5, so we'll have a 5 times ln of x. These are all positive on the top, and then this x to the negative 1/2 is going to go to the bottom, so there's just a square root of x, and then we have a 2 on the bottom, so we have 2 over the square root of x, and that's that part right here. We've got our 5 ln, the 2 on the bottom, and that. So here is our derivative. We could rationalize these and combine the terms. That would probably be better, but this will be fine. I think they will accept it like so. Nope, not that whole thing. 5 square roots of x over x plus 5 ln of x over 2 square roots of x. And yeah, they just do the same, they just reverse the order. Alright, so that's fine. Just pick any 2 functions you want, and then you'll just practice doing the product rule. Alright, so our next problem, it wants us to tell how do you find the derivative of the product of two functions that are differentiable at a point. So this is just picking out the one that has the correct formulation. Looks like A is the quotient rule, so that is not the one we want. B, product derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So they might write it a different order than I do, but this is it. Derivative of one times that the other function, and then reverse the derivative of that second function times the first. So this is the one that shows us definition for derivative.